Welcome everyone to Tuan Vu Guide. Today we're talking about the 12-inch ring light from Kincam. This is a 12-inch LED ring light for YouTube videos, photography. I just want to use the light around the house. It comes with a tripod stand, so you can put it almost anywhere if you need a source of light. And you can use it with a portable battery as well, so that's a big plus, so you can take it almost anywhere. Let's do a quick unboxing and let's check out how it looks. It comes with just this brown box. Nothing fancy, pretty basic. But what I care about is what's inside. So it comes with the tripod stand. And I'll show you the video or pictures of when it's fully open. So basic tripod stand, and you can extend the rod, and you can twist these knobs and tighten it down and hold it in place whatever height you would like. Comes with a holder for your cell phone, so you want to do some videos with your cell phone. And I believe this attaches to the tripod, so you can make angle adjustments. And a Bluetooth connection remote, so that way you can take pictures with your cell phone without having to touch it. A quick guide with some pictures on how to put it together and how to use it. Just easy setup, quick setup. And here is the 12-inch light itself. So I'm put my face through it. I am using a 10-inch light right now, and this is bigger. I was looking for bigger, hoping even brighter. And right now I'm just using a single source coming from one angle. So having two sources of light will help to minimize the shadow if you don't want the shadow effect. And it's connected with a USB cord, and there's the control. So for your on, off, and adjustment of the different light levels. So let's check it out. Now that the light is put together on its tripod, I am using a power bank to keep the lights on. It is powered with a USB plug, so any device with a USB input can power on this ring light. It also has multiple intensity settings, giving you the ability to adjust lighting with your photos or videos. You can also adjust the warmthness of the light. There are 3 settings, giving you white light, natural light, or warmth light. The unit itself, it's easy to carry around and allows for adjustability in different angles and heights. It also has a phone holder right beneath the ring, allowing you to attach your cell phone for taking photos or videos. Now just to see the difference, I'm going to keep one light on and then switch them, so that way you can see the difference between the 2 lights, or having one light versus 2 lights on. Here I am showing you the different lighting effects with no lights, 1 light, and 2 lights on. And you can see there's shadow in the 1 light, and the lighting is very even when there are 2 lights being used. If you want to get rid of the shadow effects, having 2 lights would be the most effective way. You can also have the light coming straight on at you, but again, that still has some limitations. So having 2 lights, you can vary the angle of where you want to place the light. You can control intensity on each side of the face easier. So having 2 lights is the ideal way to go. So you can do any fine adjustment, turning down the lights, turning up the lights, changing the colors, any combinations of things that you can do to make your video the way you like it. So I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you next time on Tuan Vu Guide. Have a good night.